Hello guys, it's Adheesh here. Welcome to CO2 by Learn Things. So in this video we will be talking about variables and data types. So what are variables? Variables are something that allocates memory in the temporary memory, that is RAM, for storing data. So there are three types of data types in C, which are primitive data types, user defined data types, and derived data types. So we will be talking about primitive data types only. I will tell you which are the user defined and derived data types, but we will talk about them later. So let us see first integer data type. Syntax of it is int variable name, which can be anything. This name you can give anything, whatever you want. I'm showing you syntax, so I'm saying variable name. So this is declaration of int variable, that is integer variable. After the initialization, to assign value, that is data, to this variable, we say variable name is equal to data, and after each statement, that is semicolon. So a data in this case is integer. We know this int stands for integer, so let us give it some value, say 36. So now a variable whose name is variable name, whose data type is int, has value 36 in it, which is stored in RAM after the program is executed. So next data type is float. Syntax is same for declaring and initializing every variable. So let us see how to declare and initialize a variable in a same line. So float. Okay, and two variables cannot have same name. So I will have to give another name for this variable. So let's say Adheesh, small a. It doesn't matter small or capital. I'm just saying small. You can assign decimal value to floats. This was integer and it is float. So let's say 56.35. Okay. Next comes double. Double is same as float, but it allocates more memory, that is 8 bytes, and float takes 4 bytes. So the value in double is more. So like, okay, it's just an example. This value can also be stored in float. 4 bytes is pretty much. So this is about numbers. So how can we store letters? So there is another data type, char, that is character. So char name is equal to a. Okay, we can assign only one character. Okay, it can be a number, but it should be in single inverted commas, or it would be like int. If I type 7, it will give me error while executing. So a, it is a character. Now to print every variable, that is, there is a sign. So let's see how to print integer. Printf. We know printf prints whatever is inside this double quotes. So printf value of int variable is value inside variable, our variable is variable name is %d. We use %d to print variable int. So here we type variable name, and let's build and run this and see what happens. it says hello world, which was our first line. Value inside int variable name is 36. We know we have assigned it 36 and it shows 36. Let us remove this. And let's run it again. Okay, I typed S here by mistake. So save and let's run again. Now it says value inside int variable is 36. So let us print a float now. Adheesh. So let's see what it does. Okay, so you can see here, after the first statement is executed, that is print this, the another print is next to it. It doesn't leave any space or a line. So let us fix that. We can leave space here, so it will leave space, or we can use /t, which will give a tab. This 3 or 4 spaces, I don't know. You can use that. So it will give space, or /n, \n, which will go to next line. So it will print this statement, it will go to next line, and then this statement is executed and it will print this. So let us see. Okay, here value inside int variable is 36. Next line, value inside float variable is 56.349998. Okay, so why this is 3499998 instead of 35? So a float variable is not exact, it is approximate value, or in double it is much more approximation there. So if you need an approximate decimal value, you can use double, of course. Let us see. Okay, let us store same value and let's see what happens. 36. So %lf is our double. So what is the name? Let us build and run and see what happens. Okay, it is giving error for S. Okay, I don't know why I'm typing S by mistake. Okay, I forgot to give line. Next line. Go to next line here and build and run this. So it says value inside variable is 36.5. So 56.35 is your double. We can see here the precision of the float is 0.000002 plus or minus 0.000002, and it is exact in double till 6 decimals. So let us print character. So we print character by %c. Character is %c. So we type here char name, that is your character variable name, which is declared here. Save, build and run. Okay, I just run this, build and run, and it has character is A. Next line, build and run. Character is A. So thank you for watching. We will be doing operations of variables in next video. Thank you very much. subscribe my channel. Thank you.